They say they're not human and call them aliens. They say that the laws of physics don't apply to them. They use their own language to navigate each part of the circuit, a language that only they can understand. They say they need the front tyre to speak to them and the rear tyre to obey them. They know every twist and turn, every bump, apex, gear change and the detail of the circuit that they call their battleground. Once the visor is down, they're in their own world. They say they are programmed to find the limit and to put it all on the line, to push as hard as they can, making split-second decisions every second of every lap. Information coming in at well over 200 miles per hour. At times they get knocked down, but they never tire of getting back up. And they never quit. They even fight against the elements because they're made of tougher stuff than the rest of us. Nothing else compares and nothing else matters. The rush, the speed, the will to win. Being at one with the bike. They're driven by passion. Walking the line between rational and irrational. They say they're not human, but they are. They're simply a different breed. Welcome to MotoGP.